Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2019 1500 Bighorn. Stock number 28325T. This one is Delmonico red in color. Has the LED headlights with the fog lights here in the front bumper as well. Nice chrome 20-inch wheels. The chrome 5.7 Hemi badging. Turning signals in the mirrors. Inside here we got power mirrors, windows, locks. We also got power seats. Now these seats are covered in premium cloth. I really like what they did with these seating. It kind of looks like a denim look. It's kind of a denim feel, a little softer. The designs here in it. 8.4-inch Uconnect radio allows you to control things like your backup camera, climate control, and anything to do with the radio. We also got your hard buttons down here for the same things, heated seats and whatnot. CD player with 4 auxiliary options, including 2 USB-C and 2 USB. Power rear window, garage door. Get your 4-wheel drive options here. Premium leather wrapped steering wheel allows you to control things like cruise control, downshifting gears with the tow package, hands-free options, and different things on the gauge cluster. A lot of convenience built into these steering wheels. Backside of the steering wheel we have a button like this on each side. One's for preset and one's for volume. Okay, in the back here, besides having plenty of space, you have fold-up seats here. Allow you to get things like maybe even a twin-size mattress in here, if you blow-up mattress if you really wanted to. Got a nice cooler down here on the floor. It is removable, so if you want to carry some soda around in the summertime while you're driving, by all means. Chrome exhaust tips. Again, I said it already is set up to tow. It's got the hitch and it's already wired. We got a reverse camera here in the handle. And new to the tailgate is effortless release. And I could literally lift this thing back up with one finger. Ram did an excellent job with this redesign. Again, this is a 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn, stock number 28325T. I'm Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.